And there's Daddy going up the driveway. Oh my goodness, Daddy's doing up the driveway. I don't know why I'm talking like I'm on Romper Room. Daddy's plowing the driveway, March 26th, 2009. It was a blizzard. It wasn't just any old snowstorm. It was a blizzard. Now we'll come back inside. And we'll go see what Mr. Eddie's doing. Mr. Eddie's chilling. Mr. Eddie's chilling. He was just outside for 2 minutes, but it was much too cold. Much too cold. He says, yeah, this is really comfortable. What are you so grouchy about? You got your nice carrot outfit from Auntie Dorothy? Oh my goodness, why so grouchy? Why so grouchy? I know you're not tired. You had a 4 hours nap today. And let's go see what's going on in here. Where all is that noise coming from? Oh my goodness. Teddy bear, are you being much too noisy? You being much too noisy? You want to come out? Come on. Yeah, let's go see what baby's doing. See if baby's still frowning. Put you up here to play, because you usually play pretty nicely on the mantle. There you go. I know. You want to say hi? Say hi there. Oh my goodness. Hi there. Oh my goodness, you are pretty. You are pretty. Hi there. Wee woo. I know, ever so pretty. Do you want to go see little brother? Yeah. Let's go see little brother. There you go. Eddie, you watch your fingers. Watch your fingers and don't give Teddy a swat. Here, come here, Teddy. You obviously are not comfortable. Hi there. Eddie, can you give everybody a smile? Can you tell everybody you're super baby justice crime fighter? Yeah. Super baby justice crime fighter. Oh my goodness. Let's have a good smile. Let's have a good smile for oops, sorry. I poked you a little bit in the eye. I was aiming for your nose. Oh my goodness. Well, he doesn't look comfortable in there, but he's chilling. He's doing good.